Okay, so we'll discuss now what are all the remaining general functions we have. Okay, so very important chapter. So we will be using this chapter definitely in real time in most of the cases, and you will get a guaranteed interview question also from this chapter. Okay, so we have only 4 functions here. Okay, NVL, NVL2, NULLIF, and COALESCE. Okay, so in this will be the important interview question for you. What is the difference between NVL and NVL2? Okay, and then NULLIF and COALESCE will be there. In some interviews, you may face question on remaining also. That's fine. Now we'll see one by one. Before going to discuss about these functions, first we should understand what is mean by null. Okay, because these all functions now which we are going to learn, all those functions are going to work with the null related scenarios. Okay, so first we'll see what is null. We already discussed many of the times what is meant by null. Anyone, what is null? Kumar, Sridhar, Yugesh. When I'm asking, you should speak. If you don't know, also say no. If you're not speaking anything, I already told many times. Can you hear me? No. You guys, can you hear me? You should be active, you guys. I'm speaking
Sir,
many times. What
sir,
is mean by null?
just now I joined. Sir.
Okay. What is mean by null?
Null is a undefined unknown value, sir.
Okay, undefined value, unknown value. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it's a undefined value. Okay, means we can't define this value. Undefined means we can't define what exactly it is. Okay, and unknown value is okay. Okay, so is it equal to any character or number? Is it equal to any 0 or any number or specific character? No, it's not equal to 0 or any specific character. Okay, simply to say, we can't say what exactly is equal to null. Okay, so it's completely unknown value. Okay, Aparanji, please mute your mic. Okay, it's not equal to 0 or any specific character. It's not equal to space. It's not equal to blank. It's not equal to anything. Okay, so if anyone asks what is equal to null, so definitely it's a unknown value. We can't define what exactly it is. Okay, remember. So the next important point here about this null is any arithmetic operations. Okay, arithmetic operations means, so all the mathematic calculations, whatever you are doing, plus, minus, multiplications, divisions, okay, whatever you are doing, any arithmetic operations with null value will return result again as null only. Okay, so this is important point for us now. Any arithmetic operation with null value, like for example, I am doing 2 plus null is equal to how much? 2 plus 3 means you can say easily it is equal to 5, but 2 plus null is equal to
Null, sir.
null only, because we don't know what exactly null means. If it is something like 2 plus 3 means I know exactly what is 2, what is 3, so I can say easily it is 5, but 2 plus null is equal to means I don't know what exactly null means, so it will be null only. Means if I ask a question to you, what is 2 plus null means, you can't say any answer because it is null. Okay, any arithmetic operation with null value again going to result written as null only. Okay, so how can I avoid this type of situations? Because it is wrong in outputs. Okay, for example, I am calculating some amount. Okay, some amount, or I'm going to calculate all employees' salaries, total employees' salaries in my company. So I have 10 people, for example, all are earning 1,000, 1,000. So total it will be 10,000s, right? 10,000 it will be. And imagine only for 9 people salary is there. For 10th person, there is no salary number returned. It is blank, null. So 9,000 plus null is going to come. So what will be the then output? It's not going to be 9,000. It is going to be null only. So means what is happening? Entire output is going to become wrong because of this null value. So what we have to do now here? We have to handle this type of situations using these functions. NVL, NVL2 or NULLIF and COALESCE. Depends on the situation, you can use any one of these. First, we'll discuss about NVL. So very important things. Okay, definitely we are going to use them in real time, and important interview question also it is. What is the difference between NVL and NVL2? Okay, we'll see that. First, we'll see NVL. Okay, NVL is nothing. NVL stands for null value. Okay, what is the use of this NVL? It's used to convert, sorry, null value into actual values. Actual values means anything like a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or any name, whatever. Okay, so other than null. So using this function, I can convert any null values into actual values. Okay, fine. So how we have to write? So very simple. You have to write any function. We have to write like this only, we know, right? NVL, and in braces, I'm going to write expression 1 and expression 2. Expression 1 may be the column name or whatever. Okay, and then expression 2 is the alternative value I'm giving to convert. Okay, so what is this? This is syntax. Okay, syntax of NVL. So how it is going to work? If expression 1 value is null, then it will return, please mute your mics. Okay, it will return expression 2. Okay, if not, okay, otherwise I'll simply write else it will return expression 1 only. Okay, simply to say, if expression 1 first value is null, nothing is there, so then it will take expression 2. If something is there in expression 1, it will return the same value. Okay, simply to say with example, I'm writing here NVL of, okay, NVL of null comma 0. So then what it will return? It will return 0. Okay, because the first expression is null. So I'm just telling example. We'll see everything in practical now. Before that, for example, I am writing 1 comma 0. So then what it will return? It will return 1 only, because in first column, I mean first expression, there is a value. So then it will return the same value. If there is no value and that is null, so then only it will go to the second expression. Is clear? Okay, so we'll see one simple requirement now, as we discussed just now, right? So I just want to calculate some arithmetic, we'll do some general arithmetic operation. Okay, like we'll just try to calculate some value. Let me go to SQL developer. Let me open a new window. Okay. I'm just writing here simple thing. Okay, just to understand. I just want to show here all the employee numbers, employee names, okay, and followed by the salary. That's it for now. And this is from EMP table. Okay, I'm just executing it. Let's see output will come or not. Okay, so output is coming. Fine. And these are the salaries of all those employees. Okay, so for first two people, there is no salary. Okay, so then these are all salaries having. Fine, good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to increase some salary for them. Okay, increase some salary. If you want, you can update it. If you want, you can do anything. But as of now, I don't want to do anything. Just want to display in my output. So what I'm doing, salary plus 1000 rupees to everyone. Okay, so what I'm going to do, 1000, I'm going to increase on their salary. So I'm giving one alias name for this, hybrid salary. Okay, let me execute. We'll see what will happen. So this person is not having any salary. Okay, so null plus 1000, null only. Second person also same, null plus 1000, null only. And for remaining people, you can see salary is 800. So then what will happen? 800 plus 1000, 1800. So like that, it is increased for all the people, whoever is having actual value. Correct? Okay. Understood right now? Understood right now? So any arithmetic operation with null value will again return the same output as null. So what we'll do now, a different example, I'm going to calculate their total salary. Okay, so we have two columns here, right? Salary and their commission. So what I want to do, I'm just going to combine those two earnings. Okay, their salary plus commission, both I'm going to add. Okay, if you want to display, I will display this commission also for now. Okay, let me execute. You can see now what is the total salary is happening. So before example, the first example, I was adding 1000 to the salary. Okay, but now not exactly 1000, whatever they have commission and whatever the salary they have, that two I'm combining. Okay, see, for the first person, salary is null, commission is null. So null plus null is equal to null only. So any arithmetic operation with null value will return the result again same as null only. Now, second person same, null plus null is equal to null. Third person, salary is there 800, commission is null. 800 plus null is equal to null. Means, is it the right answer for him? Is it the total salary of Smith? No, right? It is wrong because he is having 800 salary. So it should show 800 at least. Okay, but because he don't have any commission, when I'm trying to add his commission to his salary, 800 plus null, it is returning me null only as the output. Okay, but actually I want to show here at least whatever is coming exact figure that I have to show as 800 here. For remaining people, it is working fine. 1600 plus 300, 1900, like that it is fine. But again, wherever you have, you don't have any commission or null value there, then same thing is happening. Understood this example? Okay, now see here 1500 plus 0, 1500 only, it is fine because 0 is the actual value. Okay, so we know what is exactly equal to 0. So 1500 plus 0 is equal to 1500, but these are all again null because any arithmetic operation with null will return again the result as null. But this is wrong, right? I should see their salaries at least here. Whatever the total amount is there, that I should see. Understood the requirement now? What is happening with null? Understood, right, everyone? It's a very important thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we just now discussed one function, right? What is that? NVL. So what is the use of that NVL? To convert null values into actual values. Okay, we have to pass two parameters to that. So what I'm doing, we have most of the null values in commission column. So I'm doing NVL of commission comma 0. I'm writing. Instead of 0, you can write anything, no problem. You can write 1000 also, no problem. Okay, But then what will happen? Let's see. I'm just executing it. Forget about this salary plus commission. Okay, just concentrate on only this NVL of commission, comma 1000. Let's see what will happen to here. See this here, they were not having commission. So wherever they don't have any commission, null value is there. So there it is converting to 1000, means it is taking expression 2 value. What is that expression 2 value in my example? 1000. Okay, so it's taking 1000. So wherever that is having a value 300, 500, that is taking the same value only. Understood? Wherever it's not having commission, then second expression. If it is having a commission, see here it is 0 because commission value is there, so it is taking same value. If it is not there, then only second expression value, whatever you are giving. Okay, but if I give 1000, it will change my calculations, right? It will change my amount. So that's why, just to not make the difference to the amount, I'm just giving 0 here. Okay, otherwise you can give anything, whatever you want as per the requirement. Now see, sorry, let me execute it. Now you can see it's converted to 0. Wherever null is there, all those places I'm just taking it as a 0. Understood now? Even now in the calculation also, I'm doing the same. NVL of commission, comma 0. So what will happen now? Wherever commission value is null, there it will consider it as a 0. If some value is there in commission column, the same value I will take it. Okay, let's see now. For the first people, still salary is null. Commission is also of course null. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, it will lead you to the confusion. Okay, see this first 2%. Salary is null, commission is null. So output is also null. Okay, but you are converting commission, right? I'm converting this commission with 0. Yes, you are converting with 0. Commission is becoming 0, but still salary is null. So 0 plus null is equal to null only. Okay, so that's why these two people still getting null. So what we have to do? We have to convert the salary also into, we have to use NVL function even for the salary column. We'll do it later. Before that, let's see other things. So here it is coming 800. Before it was coming null, but here now it is coming 800 because 800 plus null. If it is null, what I'm doing here? If it is null in the commission column, I'm converting to 0. So 800 plus 0 is equal to 800. If you see this fourth row, 1600 plus 300 it is taking. So 1900 because commission value is there. If commission value is there, I'm taking the same value. If it's not there, if it is a null value, then only I'm going to 0. Is it clear about this NVL? Any confusion? Okay, so I'm converting commission column. The same way is better to convert salary column also because some people not having salary also. So still it is throwing some wrong outputs to us. So what I'm doing, I'm converting the salary column also using this NVL function. Let's see. Okay, see now, before it was null. Now it is showing 0, 0 to them because I'm converting salary. If salary value is null, I'm taking it as a 0 plus if commission is null, I'm taking it as a 0, 0 plus 0, so 0 for them. And of course, remaining people same. If salary is there, same salary I will take 800. If commission is there, I will take same commission. If not there, I'm converting, right? Using NVL, whatever the value is there that I'm taking. So in this case, 800 plus null. Null means I'll go to the second value of that commission 0, 800. Okay, so this is about NVL. It's a very important function it is for us. Any confusion? Any confusion till now? So remember, so what is the use of now NVL? It is used to convert the null values into actual values. Clear, right? Let me know if you have any question till now. No questions? Okay, if no questions, we'll just move to the next function, that is NVL2. Okay, So NVL2 syntax I'll write first, then we'll see what exactly it's about NVL2. NVL, whatever is doing, NVL2 also will do the same. Little difference is there between these two. What is that? We'll see. For NVL, we are passing only two values, right? We are passing only two values or two parameters or two arguments I'm passing. But here I'm going to pass three arguments. Okay, I'm passing three arguments. What does that mean? How it is going to work now? Let's see. So here what will happen if expression one value is null? Okay, so in first case what it is taking, if expression one value is null, then it is taking expression two, right? But here it is taking the last expression three. Okay, if expression one value is null, there I have only two expressions, so I was taking last expression two, but here I have three expressions, right? So I'm taking last expression three. If expression one value is null, then I'm taking expression three. If expression one value is not null, means some value is there inside, then what I'll take? Then expression two I'll take. Okay, so very simple. In case of NVL, what is happening? If expression one value is null, then I'm taking expression two. Okay, I'll take some value. If expression one value is not null, means some value is there, 300, 400 like that, for example. So I'll take whatever the value is there. Okay, but if I want to, okay, for example, here in this case, we'll see commission, what it is taking. I'll write it as a one more query better. Okay. Okay, let me keep it till here and execute till here. Okay, these people are getting null, right? These people are getting null, good, and remaining people are coming salaries. So what I want to do, I'm simply converting just to display. I'm not performing any arithmetic operations now. NVL of salary comma 0. So what does that mean? If salary is there, display the salary. If salary is not there, I'll go to the 0. That's it, right? Right now, first two people are not having salary, so I'm expecting 0 in that place. Clear? 0 is coming. That is NVL. Now, salary of Smith is 800 and then 1600, like that it is there. Means whatever the salary value is there, that is coming as it is. But I don't want to display this salary 800. Means I don't want to consider this 800 or 1600 or 1250 like that. I want to give some fixed salary. I want to take some another number now. So then it is not possible, because using NVL, what is possible? Only if null value is there in the column or in the first expression, then I'll take this second value. Okay, that may be 0 or that may be 1000. That's a different thing. Okay, but we have only possibility here. If we have null value in the first expression, then you can take this value. That is only the possibility. But if you want to take something else, okay, some other value, if value is there in the sal column, then it's not possible. It will take as it is, whatever is there. Like 800 is the salary, taking same. 1600, 1250, like that only it is taking. But now I don't want to do like that. I want to give some common value like a 0. Okay, so then I'm going to do it by using NVL2. That's it. Because there I have flexibility to write three expressions. Okay, so now if salary is there, I'm taking 1000. If salary is not there, then 0. Sorry. Okay. Now see. Okay, for all the people it is 1000 only, irrespective of their salaries. I'm simply taking, if salary value is there in the column, so then I'm taking second expression value. So this value, whatever I'm giving, if salary column value is null, then I'm taking it as a 0. So this is 0 for first two people, and remaining people are having some salaries, some different salaries. So, but still I'm considering it as 1000 now. Okay, simple difference between NVL and NVL2 is NVL is taking two expressions, NVL2 is taking three expressions. Okay, if expression 1 value is null, then I'm taking expression 2 value, else expression 1 value only, whatever it is. In case of NVL2, if expression 1 value is null, then I'm going to take expression 3 value, else I'll take expression 2. Okay, so if you want to take same salary only, but still using NVL2, yes, it is possible. But what you have to do, take same column name again. Okay, take same column name again in the second expression, because it won't consider this first expression. It will just use it, whether that column is having value or not. That's it. Okay, after that, if you want to consider the same value of that column, write the same column name. Otherwise, write some other value, whatever you want. Okay, see, now it is taking same thing, because second expression I written same column name again. Okay, so any confusion about it? So very important interview question it is. What is the difference between NVL and NVL2? Anyone is having confusion here? Yes, no? No confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. I'm just repeating it again because it's a very important interview question. What is the difference between NVL and NVL2? Okay. Both are used to convert null values into actual values. Okay. So using NVL, it is taking two expressions, expression 1 and expression 2. Okay, so if expression 1 value is null, then it will take expression 2. Otherwise, it will take same expression 1 value. In case of NVL2, it is taking three arguments. If expression 1 value is null, it is taking expression 3 value. If not, it is taking expression 2 value. It's okay. That's it about NVL2. Let me know if anyone is having question there. Otherwise, we'll just move to this next function, null if. We may not get situation to use this most of the times, but we'll see what exactly null if. So null if, again here it will take two expressions only. Okay, expression 1, expression 2. Two expressions are nothing but two values or two arguments. Like in previous classes we discussed, right? So we were passing some arguments. Same way, here it is taking two arguments, expression 1, expression 2. So what is the functionality of this function? If expression 1 is equal to expression 2, okay, imagine if expression 1 value is equal to expression 2 value, so then it returns output as null. Okay, so then it returns output as null. Else it will return expression 1 value, whatever it is. Okay, for example, I'm just writing here NULLIF, and I'm passing just to understand. Okay, 12 comma 12. Expression 1 is 12, expression 12, expression 2 also 12 only. So then what will be the output? Null. Okay, for example, if expression 1 value is same 12, but expression 2 value is 13. Okay, so now 12 is equal to 13. No, it's not equal. So then what it will return? expression one value it will return. Is clear? Any confusion about it? We'll just see with one example. We'll try to take two columns here. Salary and commission, what we have here, same thing we'll take. Okay. I'm just selecting few columns. Employee name, salary, commission from EMP table. That's it. Okay. It is just returning like this. Good. And just observe these two columns before going to write this function. Is there any row data is having same for these two columns or not? Like this. We don't have any similar data in both the columns for any record. Okay, so then it is not going to return definitely null value, right? So what I'm going to do, let me update for Turner salary, sorry, commission is 0, right? For Turner, this fellow commission is 0. So what I want to do, otherwise let's do other way. This clerk is having commission as null. Let me update for this clerk commission as 2450, same as it is. Okay, just for our example, update EMP table, set commission is equal to 2450, correct na? Yeah, where employee name is equal to CLRK. Okay, so is this query is right or wrong? Anyone can tell. My requirement is nothing. I just want to update commission as 2450 to the employee clerk. That's it. Is this query is right or wrong? Yes or no? So if people are not reading, not listening, nothing doing. No one is there to speak. I think if people are just sitting in front of the laptop or in front of the mobile and playing games somewhere outside or watching TV or doing something, not listening to me
So
at all.
please tell me once again, huh?
That's what I'm
Voice,
telling. That's what I'm telling.
voice.
Switching on the mobiles or laptop and going somewhere, doing something, not listening at all. But again, after some time will come. This is doubt. This is question.
No.
No use, right? So I'm telling these are all important. Why I'm asking these questions? Okay, so now is this query is right or wrong?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Okay. Still, anyone want to say? Anyone want to say? Yes or no? No one is there. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Sridhar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sridhar? Sridhar is no more here. That's fine. This query is wrong.
Sir, currently I am driving the bike, sir.
Why you are driving the bike?
Sir, I am in the city, sir. Just
So
I am
okay,
listening
leave
to
it.
class only.
Okay,
When I
leave
reach
it.
my
Leave it.
destination, I will answering you, sir.
Leave it. Mute. This query is wrong. What is wrong? If I
Sir,
execute this, what will happen? Let me see. What is the output now? What is the output? You guess? Suresh?
zero update.
So then is this query is right?
Wrong, sir.
Then very simple thing. When we discussed probably in the second class or third class, and in between whenever I'm getting the situation, always I'm reminding you people to know that particular concept. Still you are not understanding what I'm trying to say.
In a low.
So if I tell, you will tell. There is nothing. Okay, so now one row updated. I don't want to repeat why this is happening also. You try yourself. Okay, so now I'm just writing NULLIF salary commission. Okay, so nothing I'm going to do. I just want to show you what will happen if both values are equal. If salary value and please mute your mic. Okay, if salary value and commission value, if both are equal, then it will return null as the output. If not equal, then it will return only salary value, whatever is there. Okay, let's see first this, then we'll discuss extra whatever it is about. So null is equal to null? Definitely no. Null is equal to null? No. Okay, because we don't know what exactly equal to null. So null is equal to null means no. That's why first of all we can't compare it. Okay, so that's why first thing is null. Okay, so then second thing, 800 is equal to null? No. So it is returning 800. So in the first case, don't get confusion. Null is equal to null? No. So that's why it is returning first. Okay, 800 is equal to null? No. So it is returning here also first value. 1600 is equal to 300? No. So returning same first expression value, salary value. Okay, same way, let's go to this fellow to whom we updated class one. See, Sridhar, please mute your mic, please. Clark, for this fellow we updated the commission, right? So if you see here, salary is 2450 is equal to commission 2450. Okay, so it is showing as null now. Okay, so whenever both the expression values are equal, then it is going to return null. If not, it is returning first expression. Okay, so just remember this functionality. If you get any situation to use like this, you can use it. Okay, that's it about NULLIF. And then last one is COALESCE. Okay, COALESCE. In interview, they may ask you what is COALESCE. Okay, but depends on the situation only you will be using it. Okay, that also like a very rare. Let's see what it is going to return. First, let's see the syntax of this COALESCE, COALESCE. Okay, and how many expressions it will take. Like NVL is taking 2 expressions, NVL2 is taking 3 expressions. Again, NULLIF is taking only 2 expressions, but COALESCE is going to take n number of expressions. Okay, n number of expressions. Like that, you can pass any number of expressions, no problem. Okay, you can pass any number of expressions, 10 expressions, 1000 expressions, any number of expressions, but it is going to return first not null expression value. Okay, so what it will return? It will return first not null expression value. Okay, it will check for the record whether expression 1 value is null or not. If null, it will go to the expression 2. If it is also null, it will go to expression 3. Expression 3 is having a value for him, then it will return expression 3 and it won't check remaining expressions. Same way it will check for other records also. Okay, for example, I'm just writing here, I have something like this: salary, commission, okay, bonus, TA, DA, okay, otherwise 1000 rupees. Like this I return. So totally I return 6 expressions inside of this COALESCE function. Okay, so first it will check for the first record, salary is there or not. Imagine salary is not there, then it will check commission is there or not for the same record. Not there, then it will go for bonus. It is also not there, then also it will go for TA. It is there, TA is there, so then it will return just traveling allowance. Okay, so then it won't check remaining DA and 1000. Okay, imagine For another record, it is checking salary, null. Commission, also null. Then it will go for bonus, also null. Like that, TA, DA also null. So then it will go to the last expression. If it is also null, then nothing to do. Okay, but that's why what I written here, 1000 rupees. Okay, if all column values are null, then it will take 1000. Okay, in case of NVL, I'm checking only one column. If expression one value is null, then I'm taking directly the expression 2. In case of NVL2, I have one more extra flexibility. But in case of COALESCE, you can pass any number of columns. Okay, and you can check any number of columns data here, and you can return first not null expression value. Okay, let's see with one example. We don't have that many columns here. We have salary, commission only. Let's do this way. COALESCE. And we know already most of the people are not having commission. Commission is null, right? So that's why I'm taking first commission column. If commission is there, it will return commission only for him. If commission is not there, it has to return salary. If salary is also not there, then I'm asking to return this big number. Okay, from EMP table. Now let me execute it. See what it is written. Here also, just to understand easily, I will change the order of these columns. Oh, sorry. Okay, now see, first column commission I written there in the police function. If commission is null, it will check the salary. If salary is also null, then it will go for the other expression. But of course, we have only 3 expressions here, and the last expression I written this. So it is written in this value. For the second record also same. If you see third record, commission is null, then it is going for the second expression salary. Salary is there, so it is written in same salary. That's it. If you see this fourth record, now you will understand. Fourth record, Allen, commission is there, 300. So then it is written in 300. That's it. Understood what exactly mean by COALESCE? How it is working? You can pass any number of expressions. Okay, but it is going to return only the first not null expression value. Is clear? Anyone is having question? Okay, I'm just repeating it once again. What is mean by COALESCE? COALESCE is a function. It will take n number of expressions and it will return first not null expression value. Okay, in our example, if commission is there, it will return commission. If not, it will go to the salary. If salary also not there, it will go to this. Like that, it will check each and every expression till finding first not null expression value. Okay, hope it is clear for you. So this is about general functions and COALESCE, and we completed all single row functions. Any confusion till now? No, right? If no confusion, what we'll do, we'll go to the multi-row functions.